Welcome back to the Trailer Hood. I'm the OG, and it's Anything Can Happen Wednesday.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Yet another unboxing for you. Now, it's not really a tool. It is kind of a tool for me, but it's not a woodworking tool. But it is something I've been looking forward to getting for a very long time, and it's in this box. Thin, but also large. So we're going to take a look at this now. You know what this is. You saw the title of the video. And where is my... Oh, there it is. My handy dandy letter opener that also works for unboxings. And wow. There's absolutely no packing in here, but none is really needed. Oh my goodness. Oh. Those were the clamps. And there should be 3 of them. And oh, I'm always dropping stuff on the floor. These are the clamps here. Wow, those are rugged. They're well, they're plastic, but I mean they're really stiff, really strong. This is a circle. Oh, don't worry, not COVID, just a heavy smoker. Oh, at least I had this to hide behind when I coughed, right? I miss coughing in public. You can't do that anymore. If you do, the whole line at the grocery store just cleans right out. All right. Wow, we really need some room here that I don't have. All right, I'm going to come over here. And, oh, I'm a little afraid. It's my green screen. Wow. Now, I was told that this thing is 7 feet by 5 feet, and yeah, it's pretty much just taken over my whole little tiny studio here. I really should have cleaned this out before I came here. I did this. Holy crap. I hope that was nothing important. Wow. Again, heavy smoker. No COVID. So, well, I've got to set the camera all different and stuff to be able to use this. And I don't have a clue on how to use this yet. But I'm going to try to figure it out. And, well, it's not technically a tool, a woodworking tool, but I am going to have to use some woodworking skills to make some kind of a frame to put this exactly where I want it. Now, it's a green screen. On the video, it doesn't look real green, but it's blue on the other side. Do I even have enough room to turn around? I'll just show you. See, blue, and this is green. Now, I've done some research on the internet and to figure out how to use one of these things, and what I understand is that lighting is really, really important when using a green screen. So, and you can see my camera is just messing up. It made my shirt red. Look, my shirt is redder now than it was. So yeah, I'm not really sure how this thing works, but I'm going to try to figure it out, and just like that, I'll be back. And I won't be an expert, but hopefully I'll have a clue on how this thing will work. It's anybody's guess. So here you can see I've got it sort of working. I've actually got the blue side now. It seems to work a little better in here, but I'm getting this like halo around me, and that's because of the lighting. The lighting is just crap. I'll show you what this looks like. Can I show you what this looks like? Yes, I can. All right, see? And if you look at the blue screen now, you can see that towards the middle it's a little brighter, it's a little darker around the edges, and the whole idea is to remove the color so that you can put an image on it, and the computer can't quite figure out which colors to remove if it's not lit properly. It has to be lit evenly, and that has been a little bit of a chore for me. So I do like this though. I mean, we can change things up. I can go to the beach. Oh yeah, that's nice. We can go back to the marina, and what else we got here? We've got the office view. I don't really like that one very much, but there's a few in here. You want to go to Paris? Hey, why buy a plane ticket when you can just use a chroma key? So it'll be kind of nice to be able to do this, but as you can see, it's not right yet, and it's not going to be right until I figure out how to do this. And if you have any ideas, please leave a comment if you know of a good tutorial, or maybe you have a good tutorial on YouTube or somewhere else. Hey, let me know. I'm eager to learn. I may be an old guy, but I do want to learn new tricks. So that's what I'm going to be doing. A little bit of my time is going to this. Most of my time is going to be going to trying to figure out how to put this back in the bag. Now, in the beginning you saw, well, we got a lot of smoke here. It's going to look like I'm on fire. In the beginning you saw I took the screen out of this bag, and this bag is a circle. See? And I can't for the life of me figure out how to get it back in there. So, again, if you know how to put this thing back in the bag, leave a comment. I'll show you. Just move some of this stuff here. This, I know you're supposed to be able to collapse it, and then it turns, but it has to turn 3 times somehow. I mean, it fights me every single time. All right, so what the hell do you do with this? And then if you move this, I really don't have enough room in here. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Well, that's not going to work. Now this side here wants to come up, but I don't want to bend it and break it. So I don't know how this got. Oh wait, I did something. Well, I didn't make a circle, but the hell with it. Oh, Jesus. It's like one of those old movies when they have the inflatable raft. So I don't know how this works, and if you do, I would sure appreciate a comment. Let me know, because I haven't got a clue. But, you know, this is Anything Can Happen Wednesday, and, well, stuff happens on Wednesdays. Well, there is something else I wanted to address. I love the comments, whether they're good comments, bad comments, I don't care. I don't think there's such thing as a bad comment. If you want to insult me, go ahead. I don't care. I'm too old to care. But I do get some nice comments every once in a while, some sarcastic ones I really like, and some people that like to tease me for the way I pronounce their names, especially my friends in Slovenia. Now, not all of them, but a couple of them, and I find it really funny. I like this guy right here. I'm not going to say his name yet. I'm not going to try, because we'll save that to the end. But his comment was, "I pretty damn love this old man. I am subscribing just to hear him spelling my name once." I think he means pronouncing. I don't want to speak for him, but I think he means pronouncing. And so I looked at this name over and over and over again. It's been several days since he sent this. I'm going to try, okay? Vravnai Prestoniak. Yeah. Vravnai Prestoniak. Is that even close? I don't know. I don't know. If I butchered your name, I'm sorry. I'm just looking at this, and it has the J in it, and as actually Amanda, when she was here, was it Amanda? No. What the hell was her name? Amber. Sorry, Amber. When Amber was here, she actually reminded me, no, sometimes the J sounds like a Y. So I thought, well, he's probably right, or she is probably right about that. My grandmother was Norwegian, and that's how they pronounce a J. So I would be yay to my grandmother, not J. So yeah, I have to look at this again. So Vravnai Prestoniak. Did I get it even close? I don't know. If I did, let me know. If I didn't, let me know. You like to leave comments. I love to read your comments. Please leave some more. I love all the people that watch these videos on my channel. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of work sometimes, but I really appreciate when people leave comments and I get to look into their lives just a little bit. And I've been getting a lot of comments from Slovenia now, more and more every day, and that's great. That's awesome, and people are telling me more and more about their country. A couple of people suggested that I, do some research and look online and see what it's like, and I have. I've actually done that, and wow, you got a really nice country. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So keep them coming. Keep telling me a little bit more about yourselves. If you want to send me a quick video of your area, you don't have to go on it. We don't have to see you. I'd love to. Like Sam did. He did a nice video of how he put together his joiner jig, and that was great. That was awesome. But if you'd like to pick up a video camera and just, show it around your neighborhood, and I'd love to see where you live, and not just in Slovenia. Anybody, I don't care where you're from. If you want to show me your town, you go right ahead. I'd love to share it with everybody else. And another thing I'm sharing with everybody, and that is the contest that we're having this month. And it's pretty good. We're going to give away a gift card to either Lowe's, Home Depot, or Harbor Freight. Why did I pick one of those three, or pick those three? Well, they're tool related, and this is kind of a tool related. Old guys like tools, so that's what we're going to do, and it's really easy. You have to be subscribed to the channel, so just subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and leave a comment saying Old Guys Matter. You can say other things too, but you have to put in the phrase Old Guys Matter. And once you do, you're entered for the contest. And once we do this, and we're going to give this away on Black Friday, which is the day after Thanksgiving, of course, biggest shopping day of the year. Well, at least it has been. We'll see what happens this year. But we're going to give it away then. The contest closes on the 24th, which is a Tuesday. So when that, when it hits 12 a.m. Tuesday, that's it. It's over. We're done. And Krista is going to get shot with an air cannon, because we're going to put all the entries in the air cannon. We're going to shoot it at her, and whatever, hopefully she'll grab one, and whatever name she grabs, that's going to be the winner of the contest. Don't worry, we're going to have eye protection for her. She's going to be okay. She said she's going to dress like a Smurf, but I don't think she is. I think she's just going to wear blue, because I mentioned shooting her with an air cannon is like shooting a Smurf, or shooting Bambi. It's horrible, but I'll do it. Oh yeah. So don't forget about the contest. It's going on now. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Old Guys Matter. You have to say that in the comment. Old Guys Matter. And that's pretty much going to do it for this Anything Can Happen Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed yourself just a little bit, or a lot. Great. Sure is good having folks come over to the trailer hood and visit with me for a while. I appreciate you all. So that's going to do it for this Wednesday, and I hope to see you back here on Friday. We'll have more stuff for you. Hopefully Krista's Corner will be here, and Krista will be joining me. And yeah, that's it. For the Old Guy Network, I'm the Old Guy, and I'm out.